Welcome back for another video. Today I have my interpretation of Victoria and Helena. There are not a lot of info online or in the books who is Helena or who is Victoria, so I did not put any names on it. And as you can see the suggested videos right on top here, how I made it. And part of it I used some Legos here and I trimmed down or cut these little knobs, whatever you call it. I don't know what's the name of these things, but anyways, so I tried to do my best. And today I have the stickers for those who want to make your own Victoria and Helena. Just watch my videos how I made it, part of the process. And the stickers, the link is below right here. Now if you're international buyer, if you're out of the US, you can send me a message on Facebook. Unfortunately, today's year 2021, you know, we gotta pay shipping, and shipping, the post office is charging $1.30 to ship a letter in which this will be mailed if you are interested. So I include these 4 pieces, so everybody has access to old Tomy, Mattel, or hit toy company, Annie and Plarail, you know, the ones with their ripped faces, you know, the stickers ripped off. I don't know if that's the right term. So now you can make your own at home, and these ones actually are really cheap on eBay or Amazon, the used ones. Now I don't know what the prices are right now, but they are very cheap. You can, you know, with the torn stickers, you can get them for $10 the set. And now you can make Victoria and Helena. I don't know if you can sell them too. You can make a few bucks. You can sell them for, I don't remember, I sell them for $40 or $50. I don't recall, because I've been selling a lot of, you know, models. But yeah, I think you can sell this for $50 if you made something like this, or if you just painted and not removing the knobs right here. You know, you can maybe sell it for $40, I think, or $35 plus shipping. So it's really easy. So you know the process how to do this. It's not really complicated. You gotta wait until each different coat of paint dries. That's the only thing. It only takes a few minutes. So again, here are the stickers. I'm including 4 stickers for you to, maybe you have 4 of these, 2 sets, or if you messed up one of these, you can have an extra spare. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Over and out.